So let's get started. Please welcome Joel Wenhart to the piano. Joel, thank you. And we're about to welcome Antonina Skobina and Denys Drozdyuk, our fabulous ballroom dancers who you saw on opening night if you were here. And they're going to take us through the initial kind of what you might be familiar with in the sense of the waltz. Take it away, Joel. But then it migrates, it goes out into the world, and it takes on new forms and new lives, and we might recognize something like this. We've jumped several centuries to real MGM movie land. Beautiful. In between those two things, of course, other forms of social dances are coming into both formal events and just the popular vernacular, the things that we do together. But often it comes, just like we started in the courts of Europe, and it migrated in so many ways to the Hollywood sound stages, as we just saw. We can also picture the social dances coming with immigration specifically to the United States, coming from all parts of the world. And whether it was the African American influences or the Latin American influences, they all seeped into what we know as ballroom dance. Perhaps most especially for this moment, think of Argentina and the tango, which itself was a movement within Argentina between the formal and the popular. Let's see the original, so to speak. There's a whole vernacular of footwork and of following each other, specific to the form. Beautiful. But then, of course, that evolves as well, and it comes into the popular mainstream in different communities, and we might recognize something like this. Bravo! And in our Whirlwind tour, as we walk our way through the 20th century in particular, we start to see things that we recognize. The cha-cha-cha, the salsa, lots of different forms that are particular to the ballroom dances that are not only perfect in the professional world, but many amateurs embrace and try to take on their own life. But we have some professionals here who are going to give us, as their last offering, a little cha-cha-cha a la DNA, Denys and Antonina. And... Bravo! Thank you so much, Denys and Antonina. You can see Denys and Antonina on the International Evenings of Dance on Friday and Saturday. Thank you, guys. And Joel Wenhart on piano. Thank you, guys.